10 HIV symptoms in men after 1 week explained by HIV Doctor. Hello, this is Mark Medicals. Welcome to our video about 10 HIV symptoms in men that may appear after 1 week of infection as explained by an HIV doctor. As a bonus, as you asked, I will talk about people who cannot get infected with HIV and how they differ from elite controllers. Please watch till the end so as not to miss this interesting part of the video. This part will be towards the end of the video, so you may skip if you need to. I need to remind you that every person is unique and therefore early HIV symptoms may show up at different times. According to many studies, more than 90% of people see these symptoms within 2 to 4 weeks, but other studies put a time limit of up to 3 months. Also remember, these symptoms I am about to mention can also be signs of other conditions, so it's important to speak with a doctor if you have any concerns. If you have had no risky exposure in your last 90 days, or your last HIV test was negative a couple of months ago, then there is no need to worry in case you develop the symptoms I am about to mention. Alright. HIV is a virus that attacks the immune system, and early detection is crucial for effective treatment. Here are the 10 symptoms to look out for. 1. Fever. A fever is a common symptom of many illnesses, including HIV. It is defined as a body temperature above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. If you experience a fever that lasts for more than a week, it's important to speak with a doctor. 2. Chills. Chills are often accompanied by a fever and can be a sign of an infection. If you experience chills along with other symptoms, it's important to get tested for HIV. 3. Rash. A rash is a common symptom of HIV and can appear anywhere on the body. It may be itchy or painful, and it can last for several days or weeks. 4. Night sweats. Night sweats are excessive sweating that occurs during sleep and can be a sign of HIV. They can be severe enough to soak through your clothes and sheets. 5. Muscle aches. Muscle aches are a common symptom of HIV and can be a sign of the body's immune system fighting the virus. They can be mild or severe and can last for several weeks. 6. Sore throat. A sore throat is a common symptom of HIV and can be a sign of an infection. It can be painful and can last for several days or weeks. 7. Swollen lymph nodes. Swollen lymph nodes are a common symptom of HIV and can be a sign of the body's immune system fighting the virus. They can be felt in the neck, armpits, and groin. 8. Ulcers in the mouth. Ulcers in the mouth are a common symptom of HIV and can be painful. They can make it difficult to eat and drink. 9. Diarrhea that lasts for more than a week. Diarrhea is a common symptom of HIV and can be a sign of an infection. It can be severe and can last for several weeks. 10. Fatigue. Fatigue is a common symptom of HIV and can be a sign of the body's immune system fighting the virus. It can be mild or severe and can last for several weeks. It's important to note that not everyone with HIV will experience symptoms, and some may not have any signs for a long time. Here is your bonus. You guys want to know more about people who don't get HIV, right? Well, these are the rarest people and account for less than 1% of the general population. They are largely found in Europe. These people have a gene defect on the surface of their CD4 cells that do not allow entry of the HIV virus. So, they cannot be infected. On the other hand, elite controllers can be infected with HIV. The advantage of being an elite controller is that you may never die of AIDS. Elite controllers don't easily progress to the AIDS stage, and some may take long even if they are not on any HIV treatment. Also, studies have shown that some HIV testing methods like antibody-only kits are not the best to test elite controllers. This is because chances of testing false negative are a little higher. HIV elite controllers are best tested using other methods, more especially using HIV RNA testing kits like a PCR. For instance, I have 2 to 4 clients in my HIV clinic who have been living with HIV for the last 25 to 30 years and they look very normal. They have never experienced any negative effects of HIV. They have since had almost zero signs and symptoms. These could be examples of elite controllers. In conclusion, if you experience any of these mentioned 10 symptoms, it's important to get tested for HIV. Early detection and treatment can help manage the virus and prevent it from progressing to AIDS. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.